Today, I'll walk you through how to change miles to kilometers in Google Maps while viewing from a desktop or browser, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to switch between these measurement systems so you can better understand distances in your preferred units. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Google. You can do this by typing Google into your search bar or simply clicking on your browser's home page. This step is essential as it sets the stage for accessing Google Maps. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon, often referred to as the Apps icon, located in the top right corner. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of Google services. This is where you'll find the Maps application. Next, click on the Maps option from the drop-down. This will take you directly to Google Maps, where you can explore various locations and routes. It's like opening a digital map to navigate the world. Now that you're in Google Maps, right-click anywhere on the map. A menu will appear, and from this menu, select Measure Distance. This feature allows you to calculate the distance between 2 points on the map. After selecting Measure Distance, you can pinpoint the area you want to measure. Click on your starting point or point A and then click on your destination or point B. This action will create a line between the 2 points, showing you the distance. To change the measurement from miles to kilometers, look at the bottom right corner of your screen where the distance is displayed. Click on this distance area. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to toggle between measurement systems. You should now see the distance displayed in kilometers instead of miles. This simple switch can help you better understand distances, especially if you're more familiar with the metric system. If at any point your dashboard looks slightly different, don't worry. Google often updates its interface, but the steps will remain similar. Just follow along and you'll be able to make the changes you need. In conclusion, changing miles to kilometers in Google Maps is a straightforward process that can enhance your navigation experience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.